How to uninstall hidden application on Android device. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open setting application on your device and scroll below. You will see the option of application. Simply click on it. Go to app management and from the list of all the application available on your device, click on any one of it which is unnecessary and has no purpose on your device. Once you do, it can either be a system app or an installed app. So simply click on uninstall or disable option. Then after, you can go back to settings again and go to privacy option. After that, scroll below and go to privacy where you will see the option of permission. Click on it and go to permission manager. Then you can simply go to call logs or phone and search for the application which has no purpose of using the call log or phone kind of permission. Simply click on don't allow for those kind of applications. And that's it. Just like that, you will be able to uninstall the hidden application on Android device. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.